pens.
Gattu Chinky went to bank. It was a Sunday, and Gattu Chinky was sitting and finishing their homework. Just then, the doorbell rang. Mom opened the door and saw that Gattu and Chinky's uncle had arrived.
Chachu! You?
Kids, how are you?
We are doing absolutely fine, Chachu. Yes! And tell me one thing. Why didn't you come on your birthday, Chachu?
Yes, Gattu Chinky. That's why I came to see you now. Also, I had some work here at the bank. Really? Work at the bank? Yes, bhaiya.
I'll bring tea for both of you.
Thank you, Bhabhi. Uncle says while drinking the tea. By the way, what I was saying, bhaiya, you should open a savings account for Gattu Chinky too. It has many benefits.
Yes, that's absolutely right. It will help Gattu Chinky understand money management.
But right now, I don't have any time to take Gattu Chinky to the bank and open their account.
Then I can go because this work is also very important.
What? Really, Mummy? Will we also open a bank account?
Yes, Gattu dear.
Well, Gattu, only adults have bank accounts. Which means we have also grown up.
It's not like that, Chinky. Kids have accounts too. That's why you both still kids. Everyone starts laughing at Chachu's words. Then Papa says, Well, now that's good. Pankaj, it's good that you came and reminded us of such an important thing. Now Gattu Chinky's account will be opened and we will start saving for them right away. Bhaiya, I always give good ideas. Why? Isn't it Gattu Chinky?
Yes, Chachu.
The next day, Mummy gets all of Gattu Chinky's important documents ready. Then she takes them in an auto rickshaw to the bank.
Wow, this bank is so big. And there are so many different counters here. You are right, Gattu. And so many people have come to the bank. Have all of them come to open accounts like us?
No, Chinky. Look, some people have come to withdraw money from the bank, some to deposit money. And all this work happens at different counters. Just like we go to the withdrawal counter to withdraw money and to deposit money to the deposit counter. And if we have any questions or confusion, we can also go to the help desk.
Okay, so Mom, if we want to open an account, which counter should we go to? And what do we have to do? There are so many counters here. It's all very confusing, Gattu.
No, kids. It's not confusing at all. I will explain it to you. First, we'll have to go to the accounts counter and get an application form. That too for both of you.
With that, Mummy quickly takes them both to the accounts counter.
Excuse me? We need 2 application forms to open a savings account. Okay. Take this. See, Gattu Chinky. How simple it was? Now let us sit on the chairs and fill out these forms. Have you both brought pens?
Yes, Mummy. You told us at home. So we brought them.
Very good. We should always keep pen with us when we go to the bank.
But as Gattu tries to take out the pen from his bag, due to the bag having a lot of stuff, the pen falls down as he takes it out.
Oh, my pen fell. Chinky, please pick it up.
As Chinky goes to look for the pen under the chairs, she sees that someone else had picked it up. And it was none other than Monty.
Monty, you here?
Yes, me.
And because of you, I almost fell. Okay, but Gattu dropped the pen. Now come on, give it back.
Monty picks up the pen and hides it behind his back.
Okay, take this.
Monty quickly returns the pen and runs away from there.
Hey, what is this? He gave it back so fast. Weird. Take Gattu.
But as Gattu removes the cap, he realizes that there is no refill in the pen.
Hey Chinky, there is no refill in it. What? That Monty did all this. He took the refill out of the pen and ran away. I'll just go and find him.
Oh, Chinky, let it be. The bank also keeps on an extra pen. Look over there. It must be kept at the help desk. Go and get it.
Okay, Mummy.
Chinky gets another pen from the help desk. And then Mummy starts filling out the forms one by one with Gattu Chinky.
Gattu Chinky, fill in the details correctly. Otherwise, we'll have to get a new form. Yes, here we have to put our address. Wait, I'll do this.
Mummy helps Gattu Chinky fill out the form. And then she says to them,
Come on, Gattu Chinky, this is done. Now quickly sign your name down here below the form.
Signature? Mummy, I get nervous while doing the signature. What's in that, Gattu? Just try it in another blank sheet of paper.
Yes, Gattu. Chinky's right. Do it with complete confidence. We still have more work to do. And don't make any mistakes. Otherwise, the entire form will be wasted.
Okay, fine, Mummy. I'll try.
Gattu first practices on a blank paper. But because of nervousness, he ends up writing his name wrong.
Oh no, I'll try again.
After practicing 2 or 3 times more, Gattu is able to sign correctly. And then he signs the form also. Just like that, Chinky also signs.
Now, what to do now, Mummy?
Now, both of you grab your forms and take out your documents. Aadhaar card first.
Okay. Aadhaar card done.
Passport size photograph.
Photograph done.
And yes, birth certificate.
That's done too.
Good. Let's go back to the accounts counter again.
Mummy quickly takes Gattu Chinky over there with her.
Ma'am, we need to open 2 new savings account. Here are the forms and the accompanying documents.
Okay, but give us the form one by one.
This one first.
Sitting at the counter, ma'am first takes Gattu's forms and documents and starts checking them.
Okay, first I'll verify the documents and then an OTP will be sent to the number linked to the Aadhaar card. So you can tell me that for verification. Yes, sure, I have the phone with me where the OTP will be coming. I will tell you.
The ma'am sitting at the counter carefully checks the form and verifies the documents. After this, she asks Mummy.
Yes, tell the OTP. Oh, here it is. 228967.
Mummy tells ma'am the OTP. And then ma'am starts working on her computer. After some time, she says to Mummy,
Your new savings account number has been generated. Here is your passbook. You will have to put your photographs in it. And yes, if you need an ATM card or debit card, you can apply for that separately. Oh, okay, ma'am. Gattu, here's your passbook.
Yay! My passbook. My account's opened. Yay! Look, Chinky.
Then ma'am takes Chinky's form and documents and starts working on the computer again. And in some time, Chinky's account also opens. And she gets her passbook.
Here, Chinky, your passbook.
Yay! Look, Gattu. I also got my passbook. Now I am going to save a lot of money. Whenever I get any money in the festivals, I am going to save it in my account. So that when I grow up, I can buy a Ferrari. I'll take everyone on a long drive in it.
Gattu, you will take me along, right?
Yes, why not, Mummy? I'll definitely take you. You are the one who opened my account.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more emotional and magical stories like this every week.